If you're looking to build amazing headers, then look no further. Introducing the Cyber Monday Header and Menu Builder Bundle, only available for 1 week. That's right, this week is your only chance to get these 11 amazing products bundled together for 50% off. This bundle includes 6 new Divi menu modules and extensions that allow you to build all kinds of new menus. You get the full suite of Divi menus, including Divi menus on media, Divi menus sharing, and floating Divi menus. You also get the ultimate Mega Menu Builder in Divi Mega Menu Pro and the extremely versatile Divi Mad Menu plugin. This bundle also includes 5 Divi header layout packs, including Header Layouts Bundle, Divi Headers Pack, Headers for Divi, Header Layout Pack, and Divi WP Header Sections. In total, these packs contain 1,180 unique header layouts. With these in your arsenal, your headers and menus are sure to wow your visitors. Check out the possibilities yourself by clicking the link in the video description. Remember to act fast. This 50% off deal only lasts for 1 week. And don't forget, you can also get Divi for 25% off right now by heading to elegantthemes.com/Cyber Monday. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.